What I up to, my buddies? Today we're gonna talk about the problems, kind of string manipulation ones, and I'll kind of teach you how to do it. First of all, how to find common letters of two strings and how to find different letters of two strings. And let's say if the given output is bigot and faggot, then we need to kind of figure out the common letter, which is TGO, and if the telephone and telepathy is going to be feeded as two strings, and we want the common characters of those each strings. And let's see how we do it. First, we want to define a function called common. It takes two strings, two separate strings, different strings. And first strings, I would say, hey, I want to actually use the set notation. The reason why is it's pretty useful when we join and find the intersection or find, the union of those sets. That concept's very usefully come into play in our this problem, so I really want to use set methodologies to tackle this problem. So A equals B, B equal Y. I want to just convert it into set, and I want to say common letters is actually A and B, which is intersection. So if any letters that all both belong to A and B, then it will all be stored or assigned to the variable called common. As you see here, the common is gonna be the set notations, and data conversion in Python is really easy. So I think that it's such a really nice language for us to step up our first cornerstone of learning our programming languages. And second of all, what I want to say is I want to actually print the difference. Actually, how do I calculate the difference here? The way you do it is I want to actually subtract A and B, or okay, I want to add a B minus A. I would say it's going to depend on the length of the strings and everything, but that's how you do it, okay? And I want to print out common letters, I would say common, and I want to print out, see the results, hey, different letters are, and I'm going to close it and says diff, okay? So later on, I want to call this function by feeding in those letters, bigot and faggot. Let me see what we got. Common letters are TGO. Is it TGO? Bigot, okay, TGO, there you go. The different letters are A, so different letters should only belong to one of each words, not to both ones. So A only belongs to here, B only belongs to here, F only belongs to here, I only belongs to here. There you go. It was a good job. What about comma? Let's kind of play with it. Telephone, okay, and telepathy. I don't know if you have heard of this word. This word is really popular in Korea. When you kind of meet a girl or a guy, and you guys, hey, you know what? That's a jinx. I also thought the same way you think, and that's called telepathy. So common letters are H, T, E, L, P. Does it? T, H, E, L, P. There you go. What about Y, N, A, L? Y only belongs to here. A only belongs to here. N only belongs to here. O only belongs to here. That's a good job. So this is how you do it in Python using a set notation when you try to find a common and different letter. There are a lot of different ways of different way of structures to do it, but this is probably one of the best ways. So I guess that you can kind of figure out. I hope you have a great day, and see you tomorrow.